for show 2025.
The future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find Dryland first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
See you. Mac, what do you got?
It's a woman! It looks like it's Helen!
Return signal! Inside the gate! Hold!
Woo! Close the gates! Matt, you can look out.
Helen!
Hey, come help me.
Bring it in. It is so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Rest your eyes on this.
It's pure burn.
No.
How does it come from?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and the Smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Helen, get to that tower, hurry! Mac, the alarm! Everyone, keep your heads on swivel! Deacon, get to our we light down the gate. They have a seat plate! Anyone have eyes on the seat plate?
They're coming from the south!
Get down!
Right to the wall.
Get to the cage! Come right!
Woo!
Deacon, get on that gate! Yeah! Ah! He's got a gun! No?
He's helping in the gate.
Nova! DJ! DJ, the gate! Oh no! No!
Helen, stay down!
Let's go!
Helen, the gunner!
DJ! No! DJ! DJ! Guys! Alright, get out of there! Hurry!
The girl! We got the girl! Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? Signal the Deacon!
Tiger Woods. Hey, look at this. Oh, check it out. Hold that thing up nice and high and hold it up. Kid's got my golf ball. No. You might actually need these people. Bag this. Brothers and sisters!
Hey! Deacon! You hear that? We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right?
Shut him up!
You never shut us up!
Happy New Year. Thank you. Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Dry land. We're going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner? Hey, Chuck! Shut that gate. Are you talking about your boyfriend? Your half-man, half-fish boyfriend, the guy that poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that who you're talking about? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Bring me the girl, please. Right over here. Hi. May I offer you some? Don't do that. Do you like games? I'm a big fan of games myself. Let's play. Keep an eye on her. What do you got up there, boys?
We got an 8-hour! And he's got dirt!
Dirt. How about that? I need to know the way to dry land. So the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't tell him anything!
And this guy's the loser! Drop him! Shame, you seem like such a nice guy. Friend of yours? Listen, you're gonna tell me where dry land is, Helen, or you're next!
Jet ski are approaching at high speed!
Would you excuse me for just a moment? Why didn't you shoot him, Chuck?
He's gone!
Gone? What does that mean, gone?
He's gone under the water!
No.
It's
Him! The Mariner is under the water! Gunfire now! Hey! Hey! Did I say anybody can leave before the party was over? What did I say? You're dead? Give me that. Got that girl for me! Where are you going, dead? Where's he going? Yeah, the Mariner's right over here. I can see him and I've got one eye. Vernon! Listen, when I say take this guy's head off, I want you to take it off. Vernon, take his head off! Ugh. You missed. He's got guns, he's got water, and he's kicking my butts. Stop playing with her! Well, that was hard to watch.
Yeah, you have one eye!
I would get over here, find out what's wrong with this thing. She is getting away! What are you doing with a fish boy? He's not your kind. You know he doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet this flounder. Chubby, you're gonna run it. Let me go over you go. Go on, what's your move? Find me another weapon. I gotta say you're genuinely starting to annoy me just a little. You're not gonna ruin my plans for dry land, you gill-necked, mutated freak? That's all you are, is a freak! I need a weapon. What are you doing? Weapon!
Leave off! I'll
Kids! Oh! Thank you, Chuck. Rogue wave! Come on, fish boy, let's go, me and you. Man against fish.
You got the lawyer? Mariner, I think we got him.
Stop kicking people. Why is he still alive? I'm already dead! Get up top and get that seaplane back in here! Have them blast everything to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of them. Freak, what's wrong with us? Shut up, Chuck! Duck, cut in! Sorry, my bad. I need something with a little more kick. Ask and you shall receive. Oh, hi, fish boy. Look what I found. Big Bertha. Yeah. Why don't you do me a favor up there, champ, and stand in one spot? Swing and a miss. Oh, you're gonna use Chuck as a shield. I hate Chuck.
No, Mariner!
Yes! Thank you. Oh golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Get up. Somebody signal my seaplane? Somebody! How do you like that? I think all of my men are dead. Good! Yeah, your boyfriend's dead too. You should climb that ladder. I've got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. Yeah, that's right. That'll be me and you, Helen. Just think of it, the two of us savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. That worked. Why don't you just show me the way? Huh? You got packed. We got a plane to catch. Come on, fish boy. Let's go. Let us decide the fate of the new world. Does it belong to man or fish?
Look at the boat!
Oh, no, you won't. No, you're not going anywhere. No? Not with a big hole in your boat. Huh? Yeah! Okay. Give it me! Oh! Oh! Look at my plane! Carol! Come on, bring up! Hi! Well, you crashed my plane. Nevertheless, I've got your woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? Well, I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land against my destiny?
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? Huh.